Introducing Foodstiks Wood Cutlery, your sustainable alternative to single-use plastic. Foodstiks is an award-winning company with its own patented, innovative, proprietary shapes and a leader in the market of compostable cutlery. The Birch wood cutlery is 100% natural, 100% renewable, and 100% backyard compostable. Birchwood has been used for decades in many everyday products. It has natural antimicrobial properties that makes it the species of choice for tongue depressors, ice cream sticks, and toothpicks. Your father probably even used a wood spoon to eat ice cream back in the day. The raw materials are sourced exclusively from sustainably managed forests that share the FSC common goal of protecting healthy, resilient forests for all, forever. Fast-growing, regenerative, and low impact. Birch takes a third the amount of time to grow compared to other hardwoods. Products are manufactured in a modern, state-of-the-art, fully automated factory with the capacity to produce 2 billion pieces of cutlery per year. That's 6.5 million pieces per day. This whole process is connected to a digital management system that monitors the production process in real time. To guarantee consistent quality, there is a comprehensive and systematic quality control process in every link of the production process. Foodstiks utensils are available in 2 grades, standard and premium. The standard line works well with most foods and is designed with a strong focus of cost efficiency. The premium line has some improved characteristics that make it more adequate for foods like salads or noodle dishes. The fork has longer and sharper tines. The spoon, a larger head, and all 3 have a reinforced handle. The premium line is also designed to work with a patent-pending dispenser that has a capacity of 200 pieces. Both the standard and premium can also be branded with your logo. Our products are sold in bulk with both retail and food service packaging options. Warehouse is located on both the East and West Coasts to efficiently and quickly service locations anywhere in North America. Please contact us for more information.